Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into a Tantan account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, that I already do have a Tantan app, which you can easily get through an App Store or Play Store. For anybody who do not know what is a Tantan account, well, Tantan account is basically a dating app where you can get your favorite person and match with them interestingly by swiping right or left to cancel them and simply have a genuine connection. So to simply log in, I do already have an account, and if you want to create it, we do have separate videos on our channel. You can go and watch there. So to log in, all I'm gonna do is tap on this. This will take me to a page where I can continue with my phone number or with Facebook. So I'm gonna tap on continue with phone number, and then all I'm gonna do is keep my phone number and tap on continue, and then I'm gonna keep my password that I have used to create this account before, and tap on sign in. So simply you can see that it's being loaded, and guys, this is my particular page and this is my particular profile over here. So this is how you do it. This is how you log into your Tantan account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.